Alright, today we are going to be looking at date and time functions. We have today, now, date if, date, network days, and so on. So looking at this table right now, we have order date. Now, these are, okay, we have the order number, quantity, price, order line, and the date the order was made. So this is the date the order was made. So you can decide to confirm or extract rather the day and month. Let me see. I want to confirm certain things here. Okay, so let's try that out. Now to do that, now we have list of some date function of which I'm going to show you here. This. So today we have today. This returns the current date. So let's try that for now before working on other functions. Now if you are going to, maybe you have a schedule, or you want to plan ahead of time and you want to get some, so for example, for you to get today's date, all you need to do is to click the formula here. Just click the function here today, then cover up. You have today's date, which is November 11th of November 2025. So that's today. To get today, I guess that should apply for now. So let's see what now will give us. Now will give us not just only the date but also the time. As you can see, this is the time. We are currently in 5:55 now. That's added 5:56, just the timing. So when you click now function, you get the exact time, the exact date. So now let's move on with other function. Now we want to get the date of the month, the day and month from this date order. Maybe I'm not really concerned about the year, I just want to know the month. Knowing fully well that we have years, the same year from year to year, then another set of, another year from year downward. So to do that, all I need to do is to use the word month. Equals to month. Then I pick it from here. That's the range. Okay, I didn't put my equals. Open your bracket. Then you pick from there. You enter. You can see is 2. This is what? February. So if you want to get the day, all I need to do is to equals day. Then open up your bracket, pick from here, then enter. You get the day, which is 24th. Now look at the now I did then the now function. You can see it has changed. Now it was 5:55 before, now it's showing 5:57. So this shows that it works with the time in the current time and keeps upgrading, updating over time. So that's the unique function of this formula. Now, so guys, if I've shown you month and day, let us look at other function. Okay, we've done day, month, date. So day, that's the day will start the day, and so month, year will extract the year. Okay, let's try that out. Year, let's check here. Let's pick from this place, then enter. You get the year 2003. So you can see. Now look at our time from 55 to 58. So that shows that it will keep updating itself. Maybe you just you have you want to schedule your timing, or you want to do certain function for personal use, and you use that function. So that is that basically on date. Let's see if I can just look at one or two more function here. Okay, we have time too. Time will actually give you the exact time hour will give you the exact hour, so it extracts the hour. So let's look at that. Let's say I want to get the time here. And I'm picking the time from this place. Yeah, that's a few arguments for this. What does this mean? Hour. Okay, because it contains, well, I say because it contains some, let me pick here and see. Too few argument. That is that. Okay. Now, if I'm to create time, this is not to extract time per se. This is to create your timing, rather, like to if you are to create time. Now you're putting in the hour, you're putting the minute, and you're putting in the second. Now if I'm to put my hour, I have to create, maybe let's say 1 hour. Let's say 1 hour, 10 minutes, 30 minutes, 10 seconds, 50 seconds. Now this will create a time for me. Yeah, that's 1:30 a.m. So that's it. For example, I want to create 10:30 p.m. Now that will have to be converted to 24 hours. So to do that, all I need to do is come here. So 10:30. Now the 10, for you to get it to 24 hours, you have to add 12 to it, so making it 22. The minutes, 30 minutes, seconds. I just say so give me 10:30 p.m. So that's to get your PM. You have to make it 24 hours by adding 12 to end of your time, while the AM you maintain the time. Well, let's look at another few functions here. So that's to create time. That's to create valid time. Yeah, hour is to create the extract the hour. So from time we can see hour to extract time. Now this, once you have order from index, or that should show you are creating, why this is to extract from the time. So let's try hour and minute. I want to get my minutes here. I just want to get some minutes. So I need to do. Now this can be don't want to extract certain things or timing from each data set, and maybe you don't want to stress yourself, you're able to do that. Now that's that 30 minutes. So if I'm to drag down, I'm going to get the rest. Okay, that should be 30 minutes. Now should in case I want to change this to maybe 40 minutes, it will reflect on the rest. Forty minutes. 40 minutes. That is showing otherwise. 40 minutes. Okay. Since I've logged this as well. So you can say 40 minutes and so on and so forth. So basically that. So seconds the same, minutes same, hour the same. So now it will give you the exact time and date and time you're currently in. So time value actually converts time to serial number. For example, after 30 p.m. to convert it to serial number as this. Now let's move forward. There's other stuff I want to show. Add 7 days. So today to 7 days, maybe you just want to generate some days. You want Excel to give you days ahead of time, maybe 7 days from now. This is the formula you use. Equal to today, then plus 7 days. That will give you dates after 7 days. To give you there. Let's see. Let's work that out. So we have today. Put your bracket, then we put plus 7 days. That's the formula. Yeah, plus 7 days, you can see. So that's just calculating 7 days from now. 7 days from now will give you 18th, which is what? Let's check that day, which is Tuesday. Yeah, that will be next week. So you can always track it. Like 20 days from now will be what? Now that will have to be, yeah, let's see, 20 days from now, that should be a new month, or so. That's December 1st. So we have 20 days from 1st of December. Okay. Now there is another thing you can do. You can subtract this from another day. So let's say most today's days. Let's just put today. Okay, this is today's day. And you want to get December. Let's say you want to get. I want to know days left, or the countdown. I want to get the countdown of Christmas. Yeah, the Christmas. I want to get the countdown. So all I need to do is just subtract Christmas day from today. Then I'll know the exact countdown to give me. So for me to do that, all I need to do is just create. What am I creating? I'm going to create a date. And how am I going to do that? Just as I created time, I'll create day. So follow me. So let's create day. So these are formula that I've showed this, and subtract 1 hour. That's if you are using now, which is the timing, minus 1/25 hours will give you minus 1 hour from that time. So there are a lot of things you can work around with using the date and time function. Let's say we have 25 day. Okay, let's try that. That's 12. Then 2025. This is December, right? So I want to know from this time to this time, how many days will there be? All I need to do is come here, subtract this from this. Okay, subtract this from this. What we have? I'm having wrong values. Clearly, let me put in brackets. Now things like this are prone to happen, but then you just need to know what you're doing. Okay, it's J I actually want to pick, not that. J. Let's see if that will give me. Still giving me wrong answer. Clearly. Okay, it's because, or is it because it's a formula? Okay, let's copy this as just a value to see. No. Let's copy this. Okay, let me just write this out as a value and see what we have. So we have this. Let me extract this. So let me pick from here. I want to achieve something here. Okay, I guess the reason why this is not giving us what we want is because it has not been converted to. Okay, the format is different rather. This should be 12 and this should be time. So let's change it. This should be 12, which is month. Is month before day. Okay, that's where the mistake is. You can see it's changed. So let me try that again and pick from the upper side. Let's see. Okay, but then you need to understand something. This is giving me 1900 kilo day, I want to get the day. So all I need to do is, there's something wrong here because it's giving me in date format. I don't want the date format. I actually want the day. So what are we going to do? It's still giving me in date format. More fair. Oh, it's under this. No wonder. Let me create a different thing entirely. Let me put this here and see for myself. We're gonna achieve this. Now you can see the reason why it was giving us date format, because it was under this, and this formula holds true for all this column. So we have 44 days. Well, I subtracted this Christmas day, which is 25th, from today's day, which is 11th, and I got 44. So we have 44 days away from Christmas. So that's what I'm. So you can subtract this from this to extract the number of days or the day intervals. So that's that on that. So let's see if we can do one. So we have network days. So let's see what are network days. We have start, end, then maybe the holiday. So number of working days. You want to check number of working days between one time to another. That's what you are going to get. For example, let's see. Let's see the number of working days to see from here. From this day, you want to get the number of working days. To get that, let's say equal to network days. So we have the start day. The start day is this, and the end day is this. Holidays. Is there any holiday within this time? I don't think so. So let's just assume 5 days. So if I subtract 5 days from 44, don't forget the difference between this day and this is 44 days, right? Subtract that's 39. 39 minus 33. I have 6 days. So we have 6 days. 6 days that are weekends. But don't forget, it's going to subtract working days. And working days, we have 5 days in working days. So you count. So and I actually put 5 days to be equal. What if I just put 0? So there's no holiday in between. It's still giving me 33 days. Clearly. Okay, let's just assume these 33 days are the days when you are the working days. Yeah, there's not even an assumption here. These are just the working days, but I don't know if there's okay. Let's see. We have number of working days to be this. All right. Yeah. So that's that basically. We have 7 days here. So don't forget, we have 44 days from Christmas, and the number of working days from that time to this time is 33 days. That's subtracting the weekends. So that's that on that basically. So that's the functions on date and time. So time function. So you can do whatever you like with dates using the you want to just add month, you want to just add day, you want to get today's date, you want to get today's date and the timing used now. You can see it's changing, and you want to start the year, you want to create your time, you want to get the minute, you want to get today plus 20 days ahead of time, you want to get as many time as any. You can also work with any time as you wish. So this is the countdown. I used to start working this from down to December 25th. So many other functions on date and time like that. So that's that on that. Thank you.